save humanity. You are the living word. Hi guys. Video today is beautified by the ball. Hi Destiny Chasers. What's up? Guys, listen. I'm just coming from off the street and I had such a beautiful experience with humanity. I had to come and share it. People made me feel so good today. I was feeling really down yesterday. I had just an off day, PMS and everything. And I didn't want to do today like yesterday. I didn't. Yesterday I was just withdrawn. I had a hair mess and I was just like, ugh. And I started reaching out to people on my phone. Call my best buddies who I know can inspire me. Someone who is in my line of work. Shout out to my millionaire Cadra's Hats. I love you, girl. Whenever I need a boost, whenever my mojo is off, as she calls it, whenever I just can't get no work on, I call her and she always just knows what to say. I was looking for her and I missed her and I was so disappointed. I made another call and missed that one too. We're friends when you want them, right? And the phone rang while talking to mom and it was my girl from Cadra's Hats. And she did it. We started talking, we started strategizing, we started talking about hats. And it just went on beautifully from there. And then I decided to call the Lyft to take my baby girl to school. And I did that. The Lyft driver came through for me in such a big way. I'm telling you guys, people are really just giving me life today. And I want to just give God thanks for the fact that there are still good people in the world. I had a temporary card from a bank while waiting on the permanent card. And so the temporary card expired before the other one got to me. And so I cannot access my funds, and in my Lyft I just could not get nothing done. So I found a Cash App card that I have with just about enough to pay for one ride, and I need to go to the bank, get another card, to find my way back home and other things. So I just used the one ride to take me to the bank. But when I looked, I was late. I was rushing, and my daughter would get to school really late. It was raining, and I didn't want to do all of this run around and then wait for another Lyft from the bank. Who knows how long that was going to take her to school. And I was just kind of, just ask him already. I was like, ugh. And then I was like, so I decided to ask the driver. I said, sir, can you do me a favor? I have a $20 here. Can I just pay you to just do some extra errands for me, because I don't have money in my card. I'm trying to go to the bank to sort my banking card out, and I have some issues going on. I told him I want to take my daughter to school. I want to come back to I only have one ride on this card that is with Lyft. And he decided that, okay, no problem, I will help you. And then he said to me, you know what, just forget the $20. He said, yeah, he said, forget the $20. I'll take you to the school and then take you to the bank right afterwards. And I was like, no, I really can't give you the money. It's okay. It's just I have cash, but I don't have the funds electronically. He didn't want to hear it. I was like, okay, thank you. And I said like 1,000 thanks. Dropped my daughter off. He waited for me. Got back in the car. He drove me to the bank. He said, would you like me to wait for you? I'm like, I don't know how long it's going to take. I don't want to hold up your time. I'm already not paying you for all of this. He turned his Lyft off all the way also. And I said, okay, what I'm going to do, as soon as I get a new card, I'm going to go ahead and give you a nice tip and whatever. And he said, just give me 5 stars. That's all. He said 4 stars or 5 stars. I'm like, you're so wonderful. I'm like, no sir, I will give you the tip and I will give you the 5 stars. I appreciate this. Just don't wait for me. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Go catch another passenger. And he said, okay, how are you gonna get home? And I told him, well, I'll call another Lyft from here. You guys, that man is such a blessing. I just thank God for people like that. I went in the bank, and the minute I walked in the bank, I saw this gentleman really nicely clad in this plaid suit and everything, and he looked like he had a style and a swag going on, you know. He had some cool dreads, and he just looked so well put together, very immaculate, very stylish. And you know, your girls eyes started to pop because I'm into attire, I'm into styling. I have to see this. So he was mentioning to the personal banker whom I was waiting for that he's here to, you know, handle some business. And the gentleman was asking him, okay, what kind of business do you do and whatever. And he mentioned that he's a designer. And I was like, whew, all right. So when the teller walked away and we were both waiting for someone to come out and help us, I said hi. I just want to pick a conversation. And he said hi right back. And I don't remember what we said afterwards, but I know he went and asked me the $1,000,000 question. He said, what do you do? I said, I'm a designer. And he went, oh, okay, I am a designer also. I said, are you? As if I didn't eavesdrop earlier. But he started to talk about how he's into men's fashion, luxury. He designs luxury fashion wear for men. I was like, yeah. And while talking to him and just trying to see how we can connect, my phone rang, and it was one of my friends in Florida who has been asking me to do bow ties for men. And I was like just talking to him. Hi. Well, I answered the phone like this. Hi, Kishana here, Destiny Designs. How may I help you? So my friend picked up on the cue because it's like, okay, I don't know what my girl's going on with today, why she answered the phone like that. She knows it's me, but I'm going to work with her. And he said, hi, my name is whatever he called. And he said, well, hi, my name is so-and-so, and I'm actually liking your bows, and I'm just calling to see if you're anywhere with men's designs for bows. And I'm like, certainly, my men's line is coming on the scene. I got you. I heard your request, and I'm actually sourcing the men's bow materials right now. So as soon as those are ready, I will be giving you a call. And he said, okay, so can we set up a meeting? And I was like, certainly. I'm going to check my schedule, and I'm going to get back to you. And where are you again? In Florida? Okay, give me your information. Now, this is my friend I'm talking to, but listen, I was about to create a good impression on this designer of male apparel. And you ever heard this thing, fake it till you make it? You got to learn the art. I'm going to teach you guys. Destiny Chasers, you got to learn the art. So, here what happened, right? This is how this happened. So, I know he's listening. So he actually, I finished that conversation with my friend, and, you know, I said, I definitely have to talk to this guy because he seems like he has the body and the profile to really put whatever I'm thinking of, because I'm really thinking of attracting a men's market right now. I've done ladies hats for quite some time, and I'm like, you know, it's really time to get with the gents. Plus my husband, he's so fine, he's gonna be my model. So I really need to get in zone and in tune with my male sense. And God just did it today. So in talking to this gentleman and I'm networking with him, I'm like, you know what? I really got to give him the scoop. So my friend on the other line, he called at the right time. So God will just let things work at the right time. It wasn't that I was lying. Last night I spent a whole portion of my night sourcing materials for men's bow ties and trying to sketch some bow ties that I know my friend would like. So when he called me, I really had to go in all business with him because I'm about to attract new business to me. So it worked out perfectly, guys, that you just open your mouth. When you see people, talk to people because they can take you places. You know what the guy said to me? Maybe I can help you. He said, maybe I can help you, and that was win-win. He started planning with me a sit-down and meeting. Where can we meet up entrepreneurial-minded people to start up their business? So if you haven't done anything yet, I mean, I have some really cool tips and ideas that I would love to just share with you. So we started making a plan. While I was waiting for him, the girlfriend of mine hit me up on social media, and I reached out to her and we started to network on how I can show her some bows, and how we can absolutely begin to do lives together. And she takes the bows on her platform, pricing, and now instead of one person trying to bring a trend, now two people trying to bring a trend makes the trend spread even faster. And I'm telling her I found a really cool trick that something people can do with their brooches just to give their outfits a pop. And she was like, oh my God, I like this idea. And with her, so today I have scheduled myself 3 meetings through networking by just talking to people, and I got my mojo back. I am so ready to start sketching and planning. I'm so ready to reach out. And so I'm just here giving God thanks today that humanity is alive and it's well and it's doing what it was intended to do. People are here to help you to get to your next level. If it's even a friend calling you to make a great impression, first impressions last, okay, guys? And you only get about 7 seconds to make a first great impression. I waited for that guy until he was finished talking to the banker, just so we could connect on social media and give him my phone contact. This is how it works, guys. And by the time I got off the phone with my girlfriend who I was connecting with about the bows for her fashion business, I got her all riled up. And she got me all riled up. Oh, we were like just having a Holy Ghost time in the bank. Now it's a good thing I didn't let the Lyft guy wait for me, because now I would have missed all these great opportunities. But there was just something, the Spirit of God was just telling me, just let this guy go and make some more money. Don't take anything else from him, because he's probably going to drop you back home for free. Let him go make money. And I went in the bank, and because of the blessing that I met in the bank, now I paid it forward. I went back and I tipped my Lyft driver and I gave him 5 stars. And now I have a new connect. I have new sub. Thank you to my new sub. God, shout out to you, Daddy. I feel you according to y'all. Listen to William O. Jr., right? I feel him today down in my Shanana. People came through for your girl. I am so exhilarated. I can't wait to go make some stuff. Let's start designing, guys. People are there to make you smile. People are there to make you happy. So let's talk about my bow. Now, these bows you can find in my store, and I will post a link below where you can purchase these, okay? Because I love these bows so much. It started with the Gucci trend last year. I'm such a crown lover because of my hat business. I am into head covering that brings out the royalty. So my favorite symbol in the world is a crown, okay? So I just took my crown brooch and put on this particular red green stripe bow that I made, you guys. And these are very easy to just pin on. It's a secured pin and you just pop it right here, okay? And now I'm the bow girl. Doesn't look as if I just won some kind of prize or some kind of award. You are a distinguished woman. You're a woman of class. And these I call the destiny bows. So we're going places in these bows, you guys. Wear them to church. You can wear them to office. You can wear them to meetings, to the workplace, to the bank. Just dress up one day. I literally just go out shopping in these because I'm Destiny Designs. I'm promoting my business. So I wear them, and I wear them with pride, and they spark conversation and they make me feel pretty. So today, one of these bows are going out in my lovely custom-made polka dot packaging. These just came in yesterday, and I'm super excited for my packaging. So look out for your bow. And let me tell you something. This is why you really need to hurry up and get your business started. There is no greater feeling of satisfaction than sitting down with a like-minded business person, discussing business, discussing creative ideas, discussing and strategizing where you want to see yourself in the future, how we can network, how we can take our business to the next level. This young man I met today, he is from London. And I'm going to post his link below because I really want you guys to see what he's doing. I really am all about his success as well. and I hope that we can do great things together. So guys, get out there, get some custom label package with your name on it. Create something and slap your name on it, okay guys? And put it out there. The world needs this kind of beautification. The world needs this kind of light, guys. So I'm waiting on you to find me, to network with me, so we can take our business to the next level. This kind of networking is next level stuff. Now I'm gonna do some shipment. This bow is going out, and I have a lot more in my store. I'll post the link below. And then I'm getting ready to work on this hot pink felt beauty. Now I have no idea really where I'm going with this yet, but I can promise you when I'm done with this, it's gonna be taking lives. Yeah, really, I don't even think I'm gonna put any sweatband in this. I think I'm just gonna keep it just like that. We'll figure out what we want to do with the top. We'll figure out what we want to do with the top. All right, so guys, it's been real. Thank you. Keep it right here, Destiny Designs TV, where we have a lot of cool things to talk about. Bye.